Callie!
Oh, she's sniffing it.
What is she doing?
She's rolling in something. It's so funny.
I want to see her launch herself in like upside down.
Callie.
You ready? You ready? Oh, I almost got straight for you.
She wants to throw it actually.
Yeah, but look, she's gonna fucking go rest on this log over here. And wait for it.
On the new log. How fast you're swimming?
How old is she?
A year.
Yeah. Huh?
Woohoo!
Bring your spoils.
Come up and shake off for you guys.
Yay.